Hello, my name is Mrs. Randhawa. I'm Head of Design and Technology here at Holmer Green Senior School. Our department comprises of 4 different subject areas: food, child development, graphics and design and technology. In Year 7, students are taught on a carousel system. They roughly have around 6 weeks of studying food. Each week they'll be cooking a range of different dishes and understanding nutrients behind each meal. In Year 9, they can also opt in to take the Level 1/Level 2 Hospitality and Catering GCSE, and we also offer in Key Stage 5 the Level 3. Our results for food last year in Key Stage 4 were 100% Distinction Star to Pass and 28.6% Distinction Star to Distinction. In Key Stage 5, our results were 100% Distinction to Merit. Food is a subject like no other subject. It's a life skill. We all need to eat to survive and to be able to cook healthy and nutritious meals. Students will be able to take these skills and use these for the rest of their lives to become independent adults. It's a crucial subject that we sometimes can take for granted, especially in these current circumstances. Students will also gain life skills such as problem solving, organisation, patience and time management. HPA students are encouraged to modify their recipes in Key Stage 3 and to create their own recipes in Key Stage 4. Students are encouraged to show off a range of high skills in their practical lessons. Each practical will cover a range of different skills from the basics of rubbing in to filleting a fish. In Key Stage 4, students will also need to present their final dish, including a range of garnishes they would have made. Independence is key for HPA. In some lessons, we may have sixth formers who complete their community service with us to offer experience and support with practical skills. This helps both the Key Stage 3 student and the Key Stage 5 student who would have previously been a food tech student. This is invaluable as students can really enjoy showing off their knowledge and practical skills. We carry out practical demonstrations at the beginning of each lesson, and this really helps students who learn visually. We use simple recipes in Year 7 and then build on the skills they have learnt in the previous years. We are also very fortunate of having another member of staff in the room who can work one-to-one with students when and if needed. We obviously have rules in the food room as safety is paramount, but this subject is where the students can have a break from sitting down in a conventional classroom and have a chance to work towards cooking independently and producing an end product at the end of each lesson. Students in Year 8 will then decide whether to take hospitality and catering as a GCSE. We encourage students to take part in the National Rotary Chef Competition, which is held annually. This year we hosted the competition at HGSS and I had our local chef Phil Vickery judge the competition. This was an excellent evening which students thoroughly enjoyed. Students can also help prepare food for open evenings, conferences, meetings, etc., which they thoroughly enjoy. Some of the commonly asked questions by parents in food which we have is: how often do students cook? This is once a week and most lessons are a double lesson which would be for 2 hours. Another common question that I get asked is: how much notice do you give to students for their ingredients? At the start of each term, students are given an ingredients list sheet. Therefore, the shortest notice would be 1 week and the longest would be 6 weeks. Thank you for taking a look at our department. We hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you in September.